We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not charging. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying, and you may be in the position of where your iPhone is completely out of battery, so you've got a black screen, or you still may be able to go and use your phone. So let's go and get started with these fixes. First of all, you want to go and look at the charging cable. Make sure that it's in good condition. It's not loose, it's not really sort of bent and the wires are very worn out, because otherwise that could be the problem. So if possible, try using a different cable, and you can also try using a different adapter and also a different outlet. Try all of those different things. If you don't have any other adapters, you can always try charging it off a computer. Ideally, try a different cable, plug and outlet and go and see if that fixes your problem. Hopefully it does. If it still doesn't, what you want to do is go and check your iPhone port. So when you go and put this in and out of your pocket, it's often going to go and start collecting loads of dust, lint, and just general debris. So make sure you go and clear it out. You can use a soft brush. Do be very careful here, as it is easy to damage your phone. But I often had that problem, a lot of stuff built up in there, and it sort of blocks the actual charging connectors. So go and clear that out and go and see if your iPhone will then go and charge. Also, if you're just finding your iPhone is on a black screen, you're plugging it in and you've let it charge and nothing's happening, it's worth doing a forced restart. To do that, all you need to do is press the increase volume button, the decrease, and start holding down the power button. That all needs to be done consecutively. My phone screen is currently on, but it's likely yours will just remain black, or it probably will. Just keep on holding it down until you go and see the Apple icon. Like so. Now you can wait for it to start. And hopefully that will solve your problem, and you can then try charging your phone and it should be okay. If you found this useful, then leave a like.